if I read CNN or watch Fox News or even read the Drudge Report, I'm going to be left hopeless with regard to the next generation because there's not a lot of hope offered there. In fact, there's not even a biblical worldview assessing what's going on right now in those places. But there is immense hope for the Christian, for the next generation, based on the scriptures, based on the power of God that has been displayed in centuries past, because we know that the gospel is His power to salvation for all who believe. We know that when the gospel is preached, that His Spirit will come down and change hearts of boys and girls and men and women and bring about reconciliation in families and neighborhoods and churches, and it will bring about reform in those areas as well. There's every reason in the world to hope. We're not as bad as the world has been previously. It's not the worst culture in the world. Sin is sin, but Christ and His blood is sufficient to forgive all sin. God can restore the years that the locusts have eaten. He has done it before. He can do it again. We must beg Him to come down in the person and power of His Spirit and apply all of the wonderful benefits that Christ has purchased for His people in order that we might be revived again, in order that we might walk with Him, in order that we might love Him and honor Him in all our ways.